Nowadays, most children spend over 4 hours on their mobile devices in an unsupervised environment, leading to family conflicts, sleep issues, poor grades, and even depression. While you can't fight technology, you can effectively guide children's behaviors. AirDroid Parental Control for iOS Monitoring is a powerful app that helps you effectively manage and control your child's iOS online experience. Using AirDroid Parental Control to schedule downtime during their study time, bedtime, and more. Manage your child's app usage by setting app time limits on their favorite apps or instantly blocking any apps you don't approve of, especially games and entertainment apps. You can also set up app and content restrictions to limit app installs and uninstalls on your child's device, control spending, and prevent unwanted changes. Safeguard their surfing safety is also supported. Set specific website access times, block harmful websites, and monitor their browsing history. All can directly set up from your device. Want to see your kids' whereabouts remotely? Enable tracking to monitor their locations and see where they've been at any time. Get alerts when they enter or leave geofences. Get full details of your kids' daily and weekly phone usage from an intuitive dashboard to better understand their digital activities. Based on all the above restrictions you set, you can receive relevant real-time alerts and the status of your child's iOS device as well. AirDroid Parental Control is designed with modern parents in mind. Give your child the freedom to explore while ensuring their safety. Empower your parenting in the digital world. Download AirDroid Parental Control and start your free trial today, and experience peace of mind like never before.